Good morning, students. Book 1, numbers hopefully 17 and 18, because I wanted to say we're going to hopefully start speeding up these lessons. I want to be able to get through 2 lessons in one of these lesson videos. So that means I'm going to stop with helping so much with little measures at a time. Instead, we're going to sight read. I'm going to do a quick help you through, and then we're going to go to the performance. So let's start with 17, Hot Cross Buns. I think we've all heard Hot Cross Buns before. So let's go ahead and sight read this. I'm going to give you a couple seconds. Remember to look up to your notes and review. Here's 17, Hot Cross Buns. Look up here. You got your notes and review. Remember which notes to play. And let's sight read. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Very good. All right, so each of these is 2 beats. Remember, half notes get 2 beats each. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And if you look at this, they taught it right up here. Half rest, which is also 2 beats. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, rest, rest. So you always need to be thinking, here's your beat. Do, 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 rest, rest. Do, 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 rest, rest. Musicians always have that steady beat in their head. It's like what we call a metronome. A metronome always. Let's play that again. Ready? First 4 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Good. Let's do 2 more times. I like to do it 3 times and then we'll move on. If you need more time, you just pause. Pause, play it some more. Remember, you don't move on with something until it's 100%. 1, 2, ready. All right, do it again. 1, 2, ready. Last time. Oh wait, no, that was the 3rd time. So I'm ready to move on. If you need more time, pause. Keep going. We're going to look at measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're doing the second half of the song right here. So here's measures 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to start here. Ready? 1 a penny, 2 a penny. They all get quarter notes. 2, 1, 2, ready. And those last 2 measures are the same as the beginning, right? So the only new part is the quarter note part. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Let's play it again. 2 more times. 2. Measure 5, 2, ready. Do it again. 1, 2, ready. All right. I'm going to do my example of the whole thing. I'm going to let you go ahead and practice, and then you'll come back and we'll do a final performance together. So here's what it should sound like, and then I'll let you go practice. 2, 17, just me. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Cool, cool. Go ahead and practice, come back, we'll do a final performance. One, 2, 1, 2, final performance, ready. Cool. If you played 100%, let's move on. We're going to play 18 now. If not, rewind. Keep playing. Don't move on until you can play some 100%. And don't forget to keep tonguing too. Two, 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 two. Here's no tonguing. That's just me pushing with my gut down here. Instead, we're using the tongue. Two, two should sound. All right, moving on. 18. Go tell Aunt Rhody. This one's quite a bit harder than 17. So take a look at it. You can use your notes and review. Pause if you need, and then we're going to sight read it first time. Sight reading. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Good, do it again. 2, 1, 2, ready. So we have something new they wrote in right above Go Tell Aunt Rhody. We have a breath mark right here. And it looks like a little apostrophe in English class, right? And you can see it's every 2 measures. For you percussionists, you don't have it because you don't have to take a breath to play your instrument. You can just play. But for you wind players, we take a deep breath through your mouth after you play a full-length note. So that just means it's telling you where it wants you to breathe, you wind players. So it wants you to play 2 measures and then take a breath. Most songs don't have breath marks, but sometimes the composer, the person who wrote the song, will write in a breath mark because they want everybody to take a breath at once. Usually that's a big no-no when we're playing as a band because then it sounds a little weird. Everybody takes a breath at once. There's some silence that's not supposed to be there. But sometimes the composer wants you to do that. They want you to take a breath all at once. So they'll write in that breath mark. So it's really important you take a breath when it tells you to. All right, let's play the first 2 measures. We have half note, quarter, quarter, half note, half note. So it should be 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. So or do, 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 do. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Should sound. All right, let's play it together. Figure out those notes. Pause if you need to. And 1, 2, ready. 2 more times. 2, ready. Again, 2, ready. Now, pause, keep working if it's not 100%. Remember, I gotta try and fit these into 10 minutes, so I'm just pausing, or I'm moving on after 3. So if you need more work, keep pausing. Next 2 measures. Half note, quarter, 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 half note. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, or do, 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 do. Let's try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Again, 2, ready. Last time, 2, ready. And I'm going quick. Remember, I'm trying to fit this in 10 minutes. You should be pausing and practicing till it's 100%. And don't forget, oh man, I can't, oops, focus camera. Don't forget, oh man, I can't remember these notes. Right up above, right up there. Don't forget to use that. All right, so let's try and put these 4 measures together. Do, 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 do. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. 2. 1, 2, ready. Again, 2, ready. And remember, I know how much harder this song is than the rest that came before it. So suddenly much harder. So you should be pausing and practicing. This could take a long time to get through. I'm just doing the lesson quick. Fit in 10 minutes. So that puts us on measures 5 and 6 right here. So we did 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's 5 and 6. Remember, this is a clarinet book. So if you're not playing clarinet, your book will look different, have different notes. Right here. Where's that look familiar? Same rhythms as here, right? 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, or do, 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 do. Let's give that a shot. 1, 2, ready. Cool, cool. Use the notes in review up top if you can't remember notes. And 1, 2, ready. Remember, you brass players, we're playing up high for those notes. Remember to get your lips up high. Do, 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 do. If you don't have it high enough, it'll come out sounding. Use those ears to match pitch. Last time, ready? 5 and 6. 1, 2, ready. All right. Moving on. Last 2 measures. Pause if you need more time. You probably do need more time. This one's much harder. Last 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Rest, rest. Do, 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 do. Rest, rest. Uses, that's 4 of the 5 notes, so this one's going to be a little tougher. Remember that whole thing I showed you where we do just 2 notes, then 3 notes, so. Got that. Okay, add the 3rd. Okay, practice that a bunch, add the 4th. Okay, practice that a bunch and then do all of it. Takes time. I did the quick version. You need to keep practicing. Oh, now I can play the 2 notes. Now I can play the 3. Now I can play the 4. Now I can play all 5. Here we go. Last 2 measures. 1, 2, ready. Again. 1, 2, ready. Last time. 1, 2, ready. All right, guys. Pause. Practice those last 2 because I know that needs more time. Do the 2 notes, then 3 notes, then the 4 notes, and then you can do all 5. Take the time. This will take a lot longer than I'm going through on this video. So we did these 2 and we did these 2, so let's put it all together. 5 through 8. Starting here, finishing here. 5 through 8. So count measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going to the end. 5 to the end. Here we go. 1, 2, 5 to the end. Ready. 2 more times. 1, 2, 5 to the end. 'Last time. 1, 2, ready. Cool, cool. I think we're ready to try the whole thing. This is the part that takes the most amount of work. I'm going to play my part to let you, so you can hear the example one, so you can hear how it sounds. And then I release you to work on it. This is the hard part where you're putting the whole thing together. So this is where the most practice comes in. You're going to pause. It's going to take 15. It's going to take 20. It's going to take 30. It's going to take 45 minutes. It might take an hour. It might take a couple days. It all depends how much work you put in before this. So if not much work, it's probably going to take longer than if you've been playing a lot lately. All right, here's the example, 18. Then I'm going to let you go practice the whole thing. 2, 1, 2, just me. Cool, cool. Pause. Come on back once you're done. All right, however long it took, you now have it 100%. Can't mess up anymore. Let's do our final performance together on 18. 2, 1, 2, ready. All right, that's it. That's 17 and 18. Tried to make this 10-minute video, but it looks like it's more than 15 minutes. So keep on playing. Those are 18's pretty tough. So once you got that 100%, I'll see you next time for 20 and 21. We're going to skip 19. All right, keep practicing.